Hello everyone, here we've taken a low ponytail, applying this clip on them. We are going to fold it out into a simple low bun. Next, we are taking a ponytail, we are going to loosen it up and then applying this clip on them and then twisting the hair from one side and then taking out the excess remaining hair. We are going to fold it out into a bun. Next, we are going to take our hair and then tying a low ponytail with that. After that, we are going to again apply a rubber band at the bottom for folding our hair. Then we are going to fold it into this bun and applying this beautiful pink clip. Next, we are going to take hair from both the sides and then securing them with a rubber band and folding them out once. Next, we are going to take all of the hair and tying a low ponytail with that. Again, apply a rubber band at the last and then folding the ponytail by making a space in between into a simple shape bun. Then applying this beautiful clip on it. Next, we are going to take this braid, as you can see. Then we are going to fold it out by securing it with a rubber band into a simple bun, then applying this beautiful clip on them. Next, we are going to take a low pony and then applying a second rubber band at some space, then folding it out, and after that applying this clip, then taking out the excess hair we have left with, then applying a rubber band on them again. Using a bobby pin, we are going to fold them into this bun only. Next, we are going to take our hair, we are going to make a low ponytail. When we are going to apply a rubber band, we are not going to fully apply it, taking some hair behind, then taking the excess hair and fold it into the same bun we have made. Next, we are going to take a low ponytail, applying a rubber band and some space and then a pin and folding it out into a bun.